Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we are working on a 2009 Ford Infusion starter. This is the bad one. This is the remanufactured item. Alright, here we go. Now, this is a 2009 Ford Infusion again. You gotta, of course, take off how to breathe the material, the battery plate, all that type of stuff in order to access the starter. And you'll have two bolts retaining it. One over there, if you can kind of see that. Yeah, one there and barely one there. Put the starter back in, do everything. You have to remove some hoses for some coolant to come out, all that shit. Other than that, you're good to go. All right.